Beautiful. Make sure this is not twisted. I keep twisting this, and it's twisted again. Sweet. Sweet. All right, let's do this. There we go. Lay it in the water, because I don't want it to get stuck in that tree. Yep. Yeah, baby. Hammered that. Right into those trees. Yes! Look at that. Another freaking almost 2-pounder. Probably very close to a 2-pounder right there. Beautiful bass, man. Smacked it. Give me that. Come on, bro. Trying to help you out, man. Let's see. Right there. Beautiful. Just smacking them under those trees, man. Let's keep going. 3 on the same Senko. That felt so good on that medium light. Go ahead, buddy. Another one. Hammered it. Can we still use this? Is this possible? Or is this going to be wacky rigged? This might have to be wacky rigged. It's not right now, because we don't... Okay, maybe. Let's see. Nah. This worm is toast. Actually, what we could do is, let's see if we can fix this. Right there. Just rip a little bit off the top there. All right. We take this. Right there. Push it down. Hopefully the middle part just isn't ripped. Too ripped. Looks like it is, but let's see. There. There, the back. Bada bing. Can we catch one on this torn up worm? Will they hit a torn up Senko? Tune in and find out. Okay. I don't see why not. Guys. Let's see. Okay, let's try a couple more casts with this. If this doesn't work, we'll go back and get the rest of the pack. And we'll try it with that, because maybe it's just not working with this. Okay, lay it under here. Right there. Yep. Knew it. I knew there was gonna be a guy hiding right there. It's a big... Oh, he's fucking spit it! Shit! Oh my god! That was another freaking 2-pounder, man! They're all just chilling under that tree right there. There's like a fallen tree right there. I can see it, and they're all just chilling right under there right now. I swear to God, I'll catch one on this crappy Senko. It's the last thing I do. This is called bassing on a budget, guys, alright? My freaking... Okay. Random boring anecdote that no one cares about. My freaking renter's insurance, they took out 2 different payments. It was a glitch. And I'm like, bro, I got rent coming up, man. You can't be doing that. What you doing? Cut it out. I got a pond scum, man. All right, let's do this again. Right under there, like right there. I knew he was gonna freaking be there. Wow, that was a good bite. Might be a small guy though. He just hit that hard. Nice bass, baby. That's a 3-pounder, maybe 2.5, 3-pounder right there. All right, and as usual, you know my old line. Make sure the camera's on. Stop, buddy. Stop. I gotta quickly get this. Yep, we are on 77%. 20 minutes in, first bass. Beautiful, man. It's a 3-pounder. Nah, maybe 2-pounder. He just hit it. He hit it like a 5-pounder. Wow. Beautiful bass, man. Let's make sure my camera's good. Right there. Beautiful bass. Post hurricane. Look at those freaking gill like teeth things in there. Those are gnarly, man. Sick, bro. Nice. Get back in the water there, pal. Go on. Yeah, sick. All right, let's get some more bass in here. Okay. Beautiful. So I just keep getting them over here. They might not be expecting it over here. Just let it sink. We might just be able to hammer them over here, I hope. That was a big guy. Maybe we can get some other big guys over here. It's already hit the bottom. No. It's just been a... Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go. He crushed that thing. Alright, no need to check the camera now. Beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Bassing with the pond scum, man. I'm a mere apprentice, but I'm getting there. Out every day. Catching them bass, baby. That's what we do. There's bass in Connecticut. There's bass in Connecticut. Put some respect on the CT name. Alright, let's get some more. That was the worst backhanded cast ever. If I catch a fish here, that is ridiculous. And proves that fishing is stupid. To be honest, that kind of looks like, that looks juicy over there. Look at that. Oh, he bit it right there. He bit it in half right there. Something. So you never give up. All right. Well, that's a sign to go get the other Senkos. That was cool. I wonder if I had that on GoPro. I had no chance even with a hook set on that. He just grabbed. This thing was too ripped up. That's why you want to change. That's another reason why you want to change stuff like this, guys, periodically. It's because a bass will just rip that friggin' thing apart. So far, so good. That's 3 bass. I scoop my ass on wet shit like this, man. Fuck that. I ain't no hero. It's a good way to fuck yourself up, man. Something like this. Okay. Let's just back up here. Let's go. Jet plane. Something to jet a liner. Away. Right there, guys. Oh, I snagged him. It's a pickerel. Go back in the water. He'll be fine. snagged him. Foul hooked him. It was funny talking in the group chat. My friends don't fish, but one of them does in the group chat, Figgy, and he posted a cool thing about the one of the largest bass ever, the largest largemouth ever landed was technically foul hooked, which means it was kind of like what we just saw right there. He was hooked through the gill. I don't know how I even did that. A lot of times pickerel will hit faster moving bait too. So if you work a Senko a little bit faster like I was there, you never know. They might just hammer it. God damn. That's a big boy. That's a freaking big boy. Let's go. Let him out. Let him out. No! He's freaking spit it out. Oh. He was like a 2-pounder. I saw him right underneath me. You dude. Come on. Ah, god damn. I see that freak. Oh my god. He has. Oh, that happens. Fuck. My favorite fucking crankbait. Fuck, man. Well, looks like I will be buying a new medium ugly stick soon. That is unfixable. Perfectly good reel still. Oh, son of a gun. Can never get a break. Good thing ugly sticks are like $40. I'll get another medium one at Dick's on Friday. In the meantime, I'll have to use this. Shit. There goes that, man. That was ridiculous. Unbelievable. Alright, well, that thing's just gone. I even know where the fuck it is. I'm not even trying to litter right now, but where did it go? It splashed in there, and it's now sinking to the bottom of the ocean. This isn't the ocean, by the way, but I ain't too mad about that. You know, the thing lived its course. I still have the reel for it, so just kind of a son of a gun moment, you know? A couple bloopers on here. A bunch of missed bass, actually. 3 missed bass. Lost crankbait. Me almost busting my ass before. It's been an eventful day, I have to say. A lot of tackle lost. But hey, that's the name of the game. There we go. That's the 3rd crankbait I have lost of that exact color in this pond. Wow. Wow. That's my Owen Wilson. Wow. Woohoo. Too tight. Just right. All right. Carbon, you're gonna be my boo for a while, so you better ship up or shape out, right? Oh. Bugoo. Bugoo. Swim a little bit faster and we'll bring it down. Yep, sometimes that works. Sometimes that's all they need to see. Come here, you motherfucker. I ain't losing you. I ain't losing you. That's how you do it. You ain't getting away, pal. Sometimes you can entask them. Hey, we're gonna get that out if you just fucking if you just work with me here, pal. Now look at you. You may have just hooked it worse, pal. What the fuck did you do? God damn it. Great, now I can't even fucking see where it is, man. What'd you do? Oh, you idiot. Dude, I literally just almost had it out and this idiot just freaking hooked himself again. Pal, cut it out. Jesus Christ, in a hard place too with a lot of cartilage. Stop. Holy moly. Alright, he's a fighter, folks, and I respect that. Oh, he's bleeding. He'll be okay. It's just his gills, because I hooked his gills. He'll be fine. Get back out there, pal. Oh! He is fine, that is for sure. I love that. Ooh, a little bit of crap on here. Get all that crap. You never want any shit like this on there, guys. You want to present it to the bass good. There we go. Perfect. That might be better right there, guys. A little bit closer to that edge. Got him. Good old triple hook set. Man, they're all the same size, man. These are all good bass. I'm gonna get my limit today, and then some. One of these days, guys, I'm gonna do a bass catch and cook. We're gonna make a nice little bass dinner, but so far these guys are just surviving. Stop, man. You're not gonna survive if you keep acting like that. You're gonna freaking knock yourself out. Beautiful. Gorgeous guy. 4. Should have had more than that, honestly. I probably should have had at least 6 right now, but I ain't gonna complain. Look how it just goes all the way through it like that. Nuts. Right here. Push it to the limit. It's the limit of pushing. We must push the rest to the limit. Limit. It's starting to rain. Let's get the hell out of here before it starts pouring. All right, guys. Peace out.